TikTok, the new trendy hot app that has millions of users scrolling mindlessly every day, has been making a lot of new celebrities, and it is making them rich also. But what if I tell you that you can make a ton of money from TikTok without creating content? Will you take action? Well, in this video, I will be sharing with you how you can make money from TikTok creators. They might hate me for this, hey, but I'm just sharing an opportunity. TikTok is available in over 150 countries. It has over 1 billion users and has been downloaded over 200 million times in the United States alone. As of September 2021, TikTok officially had over 1 billion monthly active users. Now, think about that. That's a lot of users. So how can you capitalize on this? Well, all you need to do is be able to spot content creators who has a lot of potential of becoming a potential brand. These creators are likely to amass a huge following, and once they have a huge audience, you're likely to attract brand deals and sponsorship. That's how they make a lot of their money. Now, if you have noticed, once a creator gets famous, the next thing they do is create a website and start selling merch. So the key thing here is to try and identify them before they start building out their brand. Once you do this, the next step is to buy their domain name and list it for sale. More often than not, they are going to use their same TikTok handle in the format of TikTok, their username.com. So example, mrjm.com. Now, branding is very important, so like I said, more than likely they are going to use their same name. Domain names are unique and there won't be another like it once it's taken. They are like NFTs to an extent, and they can be considered as the real estate of the internet. You can buy and sell them for a profit, as well as they appreciate over time depending on the demand. So why TikTok? Well, you don't want to buy a domain name that you are going to have struggle selling, so you want to purchase a domain name that there will be a demand for. So it's like choosing TikTok is like you're already selecting a niche. Now think about this for a minute. If you had purchased UsainBolt.com for just $7, now Usain Bolt wants to build his website, how much do you think he will be willing to pay for it? Now you might be thinking, how are you going to do this? Well, the process is not hard as you think. It's really simple. You just need to complete a few simple steps and you're ready to sell your domain. So the number one thing you need to do is buy the domain. Where do you buy your domain? There are many websites out there which you can use to buy domains. Two of the most popular ones are HostGator.com and GoDaddy.com. You can buy a domain for as little as 99 cents. However, terms and conditions may apply. So make sure you do your compare and contrast before selecting one of these providers. If you want to see how you can build a complete website for just $13, then check out my video on how to build a website with WordPress for beginners. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, the next thing you want to consider is pricing. Nailing the pricing for your domain can be the hardest step to take because it's essential to do it correctly. You don't want to overprice so the creator can't afford it. You can use free appraisal website like freevaluator.com to get an idea of how much you could potentially sell your domain for. A recent check on my website mrjm.com showed me that my website valued approximately $2,130. The next step is to list it. There are several options available for selling a domain, but the most popular and safe are through domain listing sites and auction sites. Some of the best places that you can sell a domain in no particular order are eBay. eBay is one of the world's most popular marketplaces that provides the option to list domains for sale. It offers listings for fixed prices and auctions as well. If you plan to register as a seller and you are ready to sell domain names, you can list up to 50 domain names for free. But if you plan on selling more than 50 domains, it's advisable to get an eBay store subscription, which goes for $19.95 per month. The next one is Afternic. Afternic is an excellent site for selling domains because it ensures that their listings also appear on other sites that sell domains. They have more than 100 additional partner sites worldwide. Creating an account is free and can be done in a few simple steps. In addition to selling, it also offers buying and parking services. You also have Flippa. Flippa is one of the world's widely most domain marketplaces, where you can buy and sell domains, websites, and apps. This website has a strong reputation, but the website does require a listing fee of $15 per month, no matter the type of business that you're listing. So this is just a few of the sites that are out there. The amount of money you can make selling domains is really limitless. In 2017, one of the highest payment made for a domain name, business.com, was $345 million US. And in 2021, the highest payment made thus far for a domain name is $3.3 million US for Hippo.com. This leads me to my next point, receiving payments. The most advisable way of selling a domain name and receiving large amount of payments is through an escrow service, which is the safest way of receiving payments without the possibility of getting scammed. It serves as a third party that can hold payments from domain buyers and deposit them to the sellers. Some of the domain selling platforms have built-in escrow service for all transactions. If the platform doesn't have such a service, you should find one that does. Although an escrow service takes a percentage of each transaction, you can be assured that the payment will not be fraudulent. Then the final step is to pretty much transfer the domain to the new owner. Now, a very important thing to note is that when you purchase your domain, you have to renew them yearly, so you have to keep that in mind and budget for it. Alright, so a lot of people might be saying, where am I going to get the money to continuously buy a domain? Now, let's think about this. Well, it might also vary depending on the country you're from. So let's use US dollars as a standard. So you go on the road today, you spend $7 US. You go on the road tomorrow, you spend $7 US. That's $14. That could get you a couple domains. So it's those simple little things you have to look at and start investing it. Now, that simple investment of say $7 US can worth $2,000 in a year's time. You don't know. You have to just take action and keep on investing. I appreciate your time, and if you can, just hit the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching.